Every day I see videos on YouTube that are about making money online in one way or another. I guess obviously that's going to come into my feed because I teach people how to make money online. So I get to see what other people are creating videos about, and I'm not so sure that what they're teaching is actually going to work. Not enough to make a difference. Like, for example, you know, filling out surveys or listening to songs and stuff like that. I don't think that could really change things for most people. You know, if you need to make more money, then if it's going to take a load of time to make a little bit, it's not really worth it, is it? And I also don't believe, to be completely honest, that the people that are making these videos are actually really doing the stuff that they're talking about in the videos. Or if they are or have, I don't believe that they've really had that much success from it. I think a lot of the time the videos are being recorded just for the sake of videos being recorded, so that they've got content that people will watch because it's kind of clickbaity. You know, I made $300 in an hour listening to music. People click on it and watch it because they think, oh, that'd be nice, wouldn't it? Just listen to a bit of music and make a load of money. By getting all those views, they're making money. Obviously, as a YouTuber myself, I know how that works, and you can make decent money on YouTube, but I think you're less likely to make it from a lot of these kind of more dubious ways that are being taught on YouTube, which makes me feel proud. It makes me feel proud because I teach people how to make money online by doing what I know works, because it's what I do. I don't teach stuff that I don't do. I teach what I do and what I do that works, because then you can't go wrong, can you? You know, if I'm making a full-time living doing something and I can show you how to do the same, that's got to be good, right? I'm not going to show you how you can go and listen to some music and get paid $2, you know, in a day or something. I'm going to show you how you can do a few simple things and get paid hundreds of dollars in a day. And although that might seem like, yeah, all right, come on, Trev, you know, that's like hundreds of dollars in a day, it's true. You know, it is true. In this business, it's not unusual, especially because I'm in the UK and a lot of my students and followers are in the US. It's not unusual for me to go to sleep and make hundreds of dollars while I'm sleeping. I mean, who wouldn't want that? You know, and I can like just swipe down on my iWatch and check the latest emails that have come in. So, you know, and I'll do that sometimes and see that I've made hundreds of dollars, and that's, I'm very, very grateful for that. But it's, you know, it's real. It is real. And Commissionable is where I teach you how to do that. Now, the thing is as well, is I've been testing different price points, and it occurred to me that there's a real opportunity here for Commissionable members. You see, if you join Commissionable, in a nutshell, you will get membership access to my full program, which is split into different modules. So we've got the beginners track, the core training, the creative tools, the done for you assets. In the beginners track, I lay it out for complete newbies, every single step of the business, so that nothing sounds strange, right? In the core training, I then go through in different modules the whole process of what I do, from promoting other people's products as an affiliate. I teach you how to become an affiliate and get affiliate commissions, through to how to create your own digital products and launch those yourselves so that you become a vendor. And so you're literally doing what I do. I also give you all the done for you assets, right? So I give you a clone of my website, multi-million-dollar website. I give you my review pages, my sales pages, all ready to go, fill in the blanks, all right? Everything you need, bonus documents, all sorts of assets that I give you, all done for you, so that you don't have to second guess anything, right? But it occurred to me that one thing I've never really done is kind of pushed the fact that as a Commissionable member, you get guaranteed approval to promote Commissionable itself. So you can make a lot of money. And there's a way right now that you can get your investment back in Commissionable threefold instantly. All right, so I've been testing different price points on Commissionable. I'm always testing to try and find out the best routes for my students to be able to make more money. So I'll do all the testing, I'll spend the money and the time doing that, and then what works will be filtered back into the Commissionable training group. And Commissionable is a $697 offer, but right now you watching this video could get into Commissionable for just $197. Get the whole lot, get everything, the affiliate training, the vendor training, all the assets, the done for you website. You can get all of that for just $197, getting a $500 discount. Then when you get inside Commissionable, you can access the brand new document that I've just uploaded in there that gives you all the different options for promotions yourself. So you might choose to promote at $697. One sale and you've got your money back over 3 times. How bad is that? All right, so that's something that you can do. This is real stuff, right? This is real stuff, real money. This product is in demand, the training is in demand. It's not going and filling in surveys or any old rubbish like that. This is a genuine way to start an online business so that you can create a full-time income in your part-time. The thing is as well is that whenever you join, you're in, all right? And once you're in, and then all the different updates, all the extra training, all the extra documentation and assets that I put into the members area, you don't pay any more for, you're there, right? You're done. So you're grandfathered in at whatever price you pay. But right now, you could get in by clicking the link below this video for just $197. It's bonkers. I don't know actually how long I'm going to carry on doing it at that price, because as time goes on, that offer is becoming a bit ridiculous. But you might as well take advantage of me now and see if it's still open. If it is, you'll know, because when you click through, you'll be able to get it for $197 or you won't. All right, so maybe give that a go. But look, if you genuinely would like to know a proven system for making money, then Commissionable is it. It's just what I do. It's my business. I teach you everything that I've learned. All right, so in case you've not heard the story before, back in 2017, I made a big leap of faith. I decided to stop being a business owner, an employer who paid all my staff before me, and I made a leap into the make money online internet marketing industry. Now, it wasn't easy to begin with. For a start, I was broke, I was up to my neck in debt, and I didn't know where the next penny was coming from. And I thought it would be easier than it was, but it wasn't. You know, I had started by buying other people's programs that apparently were going to teach me how to make money. And it was at that point that I discovered that what they were making money from was selling the program, but not what they taught inside of the program. So they might be teaching, for example, how to make money on Facebook, and you go in, you do it all, but they weren't making money on Facebook. They were making money from selling their program. All right, and that's a big difference, because they're put on the sales page all these different figures. You think, oh wow, imagine if I could earn that. They must know what they're doing. And then when you try it, you're like, oh, this isn't going to work, you know. So that's how it started for me. I bought into all those programs. They didn't work. I thought, I've got to work this out. So I continued, I pushed forward, and I wouldn't give up. I would not give up until I'd cracked it. And when I did crack it, I started creating training. My first program was called Breakthrough, and now I've got Commissionable, which is like the latest up-to-date version of Breakthrough. It's everything up to date, and it's going to show you exactly what you need to do if you'd like to make money online. So at least click the button below and check it out and see what you think. Other than that, if you want something that's completely free, give this video a thumbs up. It's free to do and it helps me a lot. And if you haven't subscribed yet, then maybe subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss the free training that I'm uploading on a regular basis. That's it from me. I'll see you on the next video. You take care. All the best.